trainer, which will be in about 2 hours from now. That's roughly 6 ounces of ground turkey cooked in just a little bit of olive oil with a couple of egg whites. Also I throw in from the flaxseed meal, which is just absolutely filled with omega-3s. Flaxseed meal is ground, so instead of using breadcrumbs, which are not good for me, I use the flaxseed meal, which gives me the omega-3s and all kinds of other really good things. That's also raw broccoli right there. Actually, this is my dinner, my post-workout meal, but it's exactly what I just ate as my pre-workout meal. So I cooked it in advance, except for the broccoli, which I need to steam. Now, here's my post-workout shake. So I made that at the same time. You got to be really efficient in the kitchen. Now, my shake consists of a few cubes of ice, probably 8 cubes of ice, a little bit, about a half a cup of water, a scoop of Intech Protein Evolution, which is roughly 34 grams of protein in a scoop. I will consume that right after my workout while I'm still at the gym. I also include about a tablespoon of flaxseed meal in my shake. Very important, tasty ingredient is a tablespoon of PB2, peanut butter flavored. This stuff is awesome. It's only 45 calories for 2 tablespoons, and it really gives a lot of flavor to my protein shake. And I also put in my protein shake for a recovery meal about that much of a banana, roughly a third of a small banana for the glycemic recovery. Not too much, just enough for somebody my size. I'm only 5'4" female, but I eat 6-7 meals a day. A couple of them are protein shakes. There you have it. This is what I do. This is how I live.